Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make Wix H1, H2, and H3 tags and change heading tags on Wix. To get started, open your Wix website and go into the page editor by clicking Edit Site. This is where you'll be able to manage the design settings for your text styles and make sure your headings look the way you want across your site. If you're trying to create a more polished website, this is an important area to understand because your heading styles help organize your content and make it easier for visitors to read. Heading tags are also important because they help structure your website content. Your H1 heading is usually the main title of a page, while H2 and H3 headings help organize sections and smaller topics underneath. A clear heading structure can improve readability and help search engines better understand your content. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top of the screen and click on Brand. This section contains your site-wide design settings. So instead of changing text one piece at a time, you can update your heading styles more efficiently from one place. Using the brand settings is useful because it helps you maintain consistency throughout your entire website. If you update a heading style here, it can save you time compared to manually editing every individual text element on every page. After that, click Text here. Wix will show you the different text presets used throughout your site, including your headings. From this screen, you'll see the heading options available to you. Choose the heading you want to edit first. For example, if you want to update the main heading style, select that heading and open its settings. Once you're in, you can begin adjusting the appearance to match your branding or overall website design. Wix lets you change several parts of the heading style. You can update the font if you want a different typeface, adjust the format to control the overall look, and change the size to make the heading more prominent or more subtle. Choosing the right font and size can make your content easier to scan. For example, your main H1 heading should usually be noticeable and clear, while smaller headings like H2 and H3 should support the page structure without distracting from the main message. You can also edit the color, which is useful if you want your headings to match your brand palette or stand out more clearly against the background. In addition to that, you can modify styles and line spacing, which helps improve readability and gives your text a cleaner, more professional look. Spacing is an important design detail because headings that are too close together can make a page feel crowded. Proper spacing gives visitors a more comfortable reading experience and helps separate different sections of your content. Take a moment to review each setting carefully before moving on. Small changes in spacing, size, or color can make a big difference in how your website feels visually. If you want consistency across your pages, it's a good idea to make sure each heading level has a clear visual hierarchy, with larger, more important headings standing out from the smaller ones. A strong visual hierarchy guides visitors through your content. It helps them quickly understand what each section is about and find the information they are looking for more easily. After you've finished editing one heading style, repeat the same process for the other headings. Go through each one and change it however you want until your heading styles are consistent and aligned with the look of your site. When creating your heading system, try to keep your styles consistent across all pages. This creates a more professional appearance and makes your website feel more organized. That's it. Once you've updated your heading styles in the text section under Brand, your Wix headings will be customized the way you want. With your H1, H2, and H3 styles properly set up, your website content will have a cleaner structure, better readability, and a more consistent design across your pages.